Good morning, everybody. Let's talk about what to do if you are stuck at home and your library books are stuck at school. Don't worry, there are still ways to read at home and to get access to books. So the first way, and the way I hope you're already familiar with, is to log into Aleaf Hub. Come down here where it says Aleaf Digital Resources. Open the folder and click on Capstone. So you should hopefully already be familiar with Capstone ebooks. There's a whole lot to choose from. Now, another way, which we haven't necessarily used before, but there are even more choices by going to the Houston Public Library and downloading ebooks. So in our Schoology group under Reading, I have placed this at-home access sheet, which is from the librarian, Miss Browning. Look over here where it says Houston Public Library HPL Learning Link, and it tells you how to log in. So I'm going to click on the link and open the web page. I'm going to click on Login, and now your login is going to be a little bit different from mine. So let's talk about how to find out your library card number. If you look at the flyer from Ms. Browning, it says your username is the number 100 plus the first initial of your last name plus your lunch number. So to use the example of a fictional student, imagine we have a student in our class called Lucky Fukazawa. That's my dog. Here's a picture. Isn't she cute? Okay, so Lucky wants to log into the Houston Public Library, so she's going to start with her, well, everybody starts with 100 if you're a student. Then we use the first initial of her last name. So since her last name is the same as mine, she's going to use a capital F and her lunch number, which I made up right now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For her password, she's going to use her birthday. Lucky is 4 years old. So her birthday is in March, that's 03, and the date is 14. So her password is 0314. I come back over here, and I'm going to put that in. Well, obviously, she's just a dog, so she doesn't really have a library card. I'll log in as myself to show you what you can see once you log in. All right, so we log into the Houston Public Library eBooks site, and we want to go to eBooks and more. And I'm a big fan of Overdrive. Hoopla is also good, but I'm going to talk about Overdrive today. Click on Overdrive, and it opens up with their suggested book and a whole bunch of books you can peruse. Look at these always available kids ebooks. It means you never have to worry about them being checked out to somebody else. Also under kids up here at the top, there's a whole lot of choices, including new books, audiobooks, Dr. Seuss, STEAM experiments to do when you want to homeschool and science, and more. If you're a big fan of graphic novels and comics, they do have those as well. So you can search for that in the search bar. Now, the thing about searching for books is that you might run into books that already have a wait list. And yes, you should get on the wait list and your turn will come. But there's also a way to get a book that's available now. So if we come over here to where it says availability and click on available now, then I can see the ones that are available for me to check out today. Let's say I click on this book, click borrow, and that's it. I can read it right now on my tablet or in my computer. Or if I happen to have a Kindle, you could download it and read it there. Okay. So I hope this is going to help you guys keep up in your reading classes and also give you something fun to do, keep you busy while you're stuck at home. Take care. Bye-bye.